Oh shoot. It's iPhone 12 Pro Max day. The 13th. Shoot. Damn dog toys. Oh, guess what, Remy? It's iPhone 12 Pro Max day. I get a new phone. Guess what? I get a new 12 Pro Max. Woo woo! Alright. Let's go take this and put it to front. You know, some people go through their jobs and people contribute to society in different ways. We're all human, man. We're all human going through the same things, so be kind, you guys. It ain't no Benjamin, but hey, it's something. Maybe you could get an App Store app for $1. Hopefully it's not on Google Play. Ooh, I hear the UPS. Relax. He's bringing good news. Relax. Chill. What's up, man? That's for you too, dude.
You guys, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks.
Have a great one, guys.
You too. You know what? You could be anywhere in the world right now, and you could be anywhere on the internet right now, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. My name is stevesmacfix. If you want to get a little personal with me, some of you guys know me, you could call me Steve. I'm cool with that too. I'm really excited to just kind of be in the YouTube community a little bit, kind of give you my impressions, and today what we're going to be doing, there's no other way that I want to come back and just do an unboxing of some iPhone 12 Pro Maxes. It's Friday the 13th. Come chill, hang out with me in my living room. Let's have some fun. Pull up a chair, your gaming chair, your office chair if you're at work on a late Friday night, or if you want to sit on your significant other's lap and kind of cuddle up and watch me, I'm cool with that too. So check it out. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be, like I said, we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're going to do some comparisons, not to any like flagship phones or anything like that, but we will be doing some comparisons and some of my initial thoughts on the product itself, kind of why I upgraded to this phone, and again, just my initial thoughts. So what we're going to do, I never really do like prompts or anything like that. I just kind of go off my heart. So let's have some fun. Let's chillax and hang out one more time again. And many more. So in order to do this right, I'm going to do the unboxing. We're going to represent the people in medicine. We're going to wear some gloves. So the ones that know me, they know me, I'm in medicine too myself, I'm in the medical field. But you gotta do it right? So we're gonna bust some gloves on. See? They look really fat with this stuff. And there's no other way to do it right than to use a scalpel. So let's unbox these bad boys. I feel like a kid in Christmas a little bit, as I should, I guess. I'm gonna put this away before I hurt myself. Alright. scalpel. Got some iPhone 12 Pro Maxes. So let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. People like make these interesting sounds when they open them, but I'm excited. And we're gonna do the other one too. So I got one for my wife, got one for myself. Let's go ahead and do a little comparisons on the boxes. We do have a graphite and a Pacific blue. There's really not much of a difference on the boxes from what I initially see, other than the colors here, and the graphics are a little bit different. Nothing crazy. I guess it's just kind of showing the differences between the colors, and by showing the color and the graphic might be a little bit different there. Before we open it, we got to do some comparisons. And as some of you guys know, I'm an old school Mac guy. I'm an old school Apple guy. So what other better way to kind of go a little bit old school? Now that we got it out of the way, let's just go ahead and take them out of the boxes. What do you think? So I'm pretty excited about this. Damn. That's pretty beautiful. And I know the camera is not really picking up how beautiful this thing is. And here's the blue. Wow. That's pretty slick. It's wow, man. I mean, seriously, I'm so used to black, I'm so used to white, I'm so used to gunmetal. I mean, this one's a little bit similar to it, but not really. It's really different. I'm not used to these colors, and it's so weird for me to see, at least for me, it's really weird to see different colors on an iPhone. I'm very bland, very basic, and I decided to try something different. I guess graphite's kind of the same, I guess, but I've never had this color. Wow, these cameras look huge. I'm coming from an iPhone 10, so I didn't have an 11 Pro, so these triple crazy camera kind of thing is kind of overwhelming, but yet satisfying. So let's just go ahead and do what everyone else does, and here you go. Nothing special about that. But damn, that thing is... I've been holding an iPhone 6 Plus just to get used to the hold, but this is just different. This is, to me, and this is one of the reasons why I got this phone, is because I absolutely love, my favorite phone of all time is the iPhone 4. And this is just a steroided version of it. I love it. I absolutely love it. You really can't describe it. And it's perfection. It really is. It's beautiful. So I don't even want to put this damn thing down, man. Like, it's great. Look at that thing. Okay, so let's kind of go around the phone real quick. Just on and off switch. You got some rocker volume stuff. You got your SIM card. Do I really need to go through all this? You got some speaker grills. You want to really look at that, but I just kind of want to talk about it. I mean, this thing is beautiful. It's a big slab of technology the Apple way. It's my first device with USB-C. Well, oh, I lied. You know what? I do have my Hackintosh, and I do have an Apple TV which does USB-C. But there's not that many products that I've upgraded to that have USB-C. But this is genuine beautifulness represented through a slab of technology. It's very different than what I expected, to be honest with you, and it's very different to hold than any other Plus, to be honest with you. I can't really describe it. And if you know anyone with it, ask them, hey, can you hold this thing naked? Just trust me, it's different. It's very different. And it's beautiful, and it's gorgeous. No, I'm not gonna divorce my wife or anything like that. I've been holding like an iPhone 6 Plus just to kind of get used to the size again. One of the reasons why is because I kind of do this repetitive motion on my iPhone 10, and my thumb kind of got tired of doing repetitive motion or continuous trauma, so it's kind of getting tired. And so I was like, let me just go back to a bigger phone. And I also wanted a better camera because I'm a video photography kind of guy, and I wanted to upgrade. I know like Steve Jobs didn't really want to go bigger, but I think he'd be happy with this. So yeah, I mean, this graphite, it kind of changes colors. It's kind of like a chameleon kind of thing, where the way the light hits it, it kind of goes, ah! It's it's pretty neat. I'm really happy to add this to my Apple ecosystem in my household. Now let's check out this Pacific Blue. Let's check out this blue. I really don't want to replicate what I said, but I want to say it again, that it's beautiful. This blue is kind of calming, to be honest with you. I really like it. I'm sure my wife's gonna cover it up with a case, but I still kind of trip it on these cameras, but I can't get over the feel of this thing. It's marvelous. It really is. It's gorgeous. So let's put these aside for a second, and I'll just show you what's inside it. They kind of want to be eco-friendly and also cut costs. If you're running a company, you kind of want to cut costs on things, so you're gonna save the environment, and you're gonna cut costs on some of the stuff that you include in the box. So here we do have a SIM tray remover tool. I got a bunch of these, but yeah, nothing special. Anything else? Nada. Oh, you get a sticker and you get an insert that no one ever reads. So yeah. Another difference is that you do have a Lightning to USB-C, and it does not come with a brick, so it's all good. So tell you what, I know we did some comparison of some boxes and stuff, but why don't we just go ahead and compare some of the phones? And last, let's just go ahead and turn on the devices. I'm pretty happy about this. Let's see if it powers on. That's pretty much it. But thanks for spending time with me in my humble abode. It's been fun to kind of sit and chill with you guys, and I'm looking forward to more interactions with you guys. Do me a favor, just go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you turn on those notifications so you could know when my next video is out. Now go outside and go get some fresh air, and I will see you on the next video, okay? But till then, just know, everything is copacetic. And it's beautiful, and it's gorgeous. No, I'm not gonna divorce my wife or anything like that. But, man, I might poke something in there. Banging, man. Wow. What the heck, man? Alright, so we're going to start off with some gloves on. This is to my peeps that are in the medical field. Thank you for your services. I'm in the medical... out of the way. Let's just go ahead and unbox them. So it really kind of accentuates the color. It's got that COVID. Just kidding. Alright, so let's make sure wireless charging works on this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Say what's up, Kobe. There we go. Hey, it works.